Welcome to Tai Chi Flow for balance. With this sequence, you don't have to get it perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image, and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet together or as close as you can, the hands down by the sides. And as you breathe in, the arms float up. They circle in front as if you're gathering in energy, bring it in towards the heart, and then send it down towards the earth, sinking the chi. Breathing in, gather. Breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Feeling all the sensations that you can. One more time, sink the chi. And then from here, step one foot out to the side, either foot. The arms float up to shoulder height. The arms float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in like mist rising from the lake. Breathing out, floating down like a gentle rain. We call this opening the door, the start of the journey. One more time, rising up, softening down. This time the arms float out to the sides like you're spreading your wings. The arms float down, the palms face up. They float up the midline of the body, pressing up overhead, floating out and down, holding up the sky. Breathing in as you rise up, breathing out, letting go. Opening the shoulders and the chest, decompressing the spine. One more time, holding up the sky. Then from here, the hands float up to the heart. One hand pushes up, the other pushes down, connecting sky and earth. And then switching sides, keeping the spine neutral at first. And then this time, if you like, you can do a side bend, but always easing in, never forcing it. One more time, connecting sky and earth. And the bottom hand comes up, push to the corner, the other hand pushes behind. Coming back to center, push to the other corner, the dragon spreads its wings. It's a gentle rotation, pushing to the corner. One more time. And then from here, the back hand swings around as if it's gliding on the surface of the water. The other hand comes around as the dragon swings its tail. It's like you're making little ripples in the water, sending waves out into the distance. One more time, drift across. And then from here, the hands come together in prayer position. They float across the eye level, and then across the heart, and then lower abdomen, the swimming dragon. The hands float back up for another round, drifting across up high, and then medium, and then down low. And then from here, release, round out as if you're hugging a big tree, and soften. Shift all your weight over to one side and step in. Step out to the corner, and as you step out, the arms open, the front knee bends. Then the front knee begins to straighten as you cross the wrists, hinge from the hips, the arms float out to the sides. Cross the wrists again, shift forward, and open. We call this the butterfly. Hinging from the hips, keeping the spine nice and long. You don't have to go very low. Cross the wrists, and open. One more time, the butterfly. Take a bow. Spread the wings. Cross the wrists and open. Then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. Shift all your weight over to one side and step in. Step out to the other corner. The arms open, the front knee bends. The front knee straightens, crossing the wrists. Hinging from the hips, the arms float out to the sides. Cross the wrists again. Shift forward and open. So keeping the spine nice and long. Nice and slow, still breathing. One more time, the butterfly. Take a bow, flutter the wings. Cross the wrists and open. And then step the front foot back in, hugging the tree. From here, both hands drift over to the side and down, and just drifting side to side, like tall grass in the breeze. Nice, gentle sway. Then shift all your weight over to one side, tap the heel right out in front, like you're testing out the water. Bring it back in, shift the weight, other side, tap the heel. This time, tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. Other side, tap the heel, the hand comes over the foot. This time, hand over the foot, the other hand in front of the heart. playing the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Other side, tap the heel, the hands come right out in front. Breathing in, breathing out. One more time, play the pipa, the Chinese guitar. Then step back in and hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the arms open wide, the wrists cross down low as you soften down. Then as you rise up, the arms open overhead, floating all the way out and down. Gathering the energy from the earth and then giving it back to the sky above. Harmonizing yin and yang. Creating balance and harmony in the body and mind. One more time, harmonize yin and yang. And then reverse direction with the arms, circle in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. And then from here, both hands drift over to the side and down, making two loose fists. One fist goes overhead, the other in front of the waist. And then switching sides, the tiger hugs its head. And you can gently turn if you like. This time, you can lift your leg, touching down as needed. Other side, shifting the weight. You can always keep your foot down, or this time you can lift it up a little bit higher. It's okay to wobble. Just letting go of judgment the best you can. Just meeting yourself where you're at. One more time, the tiger hugs its head. And then both hands reach up, floating down, circle all the way in front, hugging the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider, and the hands come together in prayer position in front of the heart as you soften down. The fingertips guide the way out to the side, and they scoop around to the other side. The dragon pierces clouds, going side to side. And you can keep going side to side, or if you like, this time you can let the hands begin to go a little bit higher towards the peak of the mountain. Getting a little higher with each pass, and then going down the mountain trail to the base of the mountain. And then tuning into the body, moving in any way that would feel wonderful for you right now. The spontaneous dragon. You can even close your eyes and just tune into the body's wisdom. Let the energy guide you. Just bringing the sense of curiosity and play. All right, one more time, the spontaneous dragon. And then when you're ready, you can release, round out. So if you're hugging the tree, step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open wide, the hands float down. The palms face up, one hand on top of the other. And then this hand floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Creating mental focus and clarity, calming the heart, calming the mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can comfortably. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. And circle the hands in front as if you had a big ball in front of the body, coming all the way around and under, back up to the heart and down. One more time, opening the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands right in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And then turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. And the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or just keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body. Feel the sensations of the breath. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. Thank you so much for watching. If you like that, this video is part of our free 7-day beginner Tai Chi challenge. Just click the first link in the video description below to sign up for free, and I'll see you in the next video.